Apiture is a digital banking service provider. Our clients are banks and credit unions. We service them through our software platforms where their clients can interact with the bank, whether it's transferring money, paying bills, viewing balances. The challenges we faced immediately were we had just completed a joint venture between First Data and Live Oak Bank. And one of the things that we needed to do was vacate the office in Austin with the data center on-prem and really think about how we can operationalize and look for opportunities to move into more of a cloud-based technology stack. Early on, we realized that the cloud migration was going to be very extensive.
We had hundreds of client VPN connections going from our clients, their data centers, their cores into the physical data center that was not going to be a clean move into the cloud. We were working with First Data, their networking services. We did not have network expertise within our environment, within Apiture. We did not want to manage hundreds of Cisco devices end of life and try to solution that in a cloud environment. We needed to find a way to move away from the Cisco devices into something that is managed service, something that's easy for clients to work with, something that's easy for Apiture to support. Our first option was actually trying to hire a third-party team to manage our existing devices, and that went away as an option very, very quickly. It just was not feasible to keep our existing devices into the cloud environment. We then started looking into SD-WAN, which was the first technology that seemed to be something that was going to fit the bill. We actually went through a proof of concept with VeloCloud that took about 4 weeks, and in the end, they weren't able to support our requirements. We also worked with Meraki. We came to the conclusion even before proof of concept that we would hit the same limitations that we hit in the VeloCloud proof of concept.
We started to recognize that some of these larger providers really had other partnerships that they would push us off to as a reseller or a service provider, and we wanted to work directly with the technology and the company that built it, but also a company that would be able to run with us on these aggressive timelines, be part of the team, and take full accountability for us replacing over 350 devices in the field. After a lot of evaluation, we felt Trustgrid was the right partner. I think the overall result of the cloud migration was a huge success, in my opinion. We were able to work with our clients who don't normally have a large IT staff. Trustgrid really helped us provide some of that support to our institutions. And then on the other side of the coin, you're looking at how we actually lifted and moved hundreds of clients and millions of users without any sort of disruption over about a 6-month period. So not only did our clients see the benefit of the move, but we saw the benefit. Our ability to scale horizontally, our ability to automate all of our infrastructure has really made us increase velocity of our development engineering teams. And then we also have a whole new technology stack that we have access to build out new products and features for our clients.
I would absolutely recommend Trustgrid to others. We could not have completed this migration without their partnership on this process. The ease of working with Trustgrid and the members of their team made it the success it was.
Absolutely would recommend Trustgrid. Not only do they have the experience in the networking and the technology, but they have the experience in large migrations. As part of that, their speed and agility and being able to move fast was critical to our success, and we couldn't have been successful without them.